This video will help you navigate its learning on our extended learning days. What you will want to do is go to the Coming Elementary webpage, which is right here at the top, site.k12.ga.us/coming. And you'll want to click on It's Learn right up here. And it'll take you to the student sign page. Your teacher gave you their information, which the username is their lunch number and their password. So I am going to sign in as myself. And it'll take you to the class link page. Once you're there, you will see a bunch of apps. You're going to want to click on the orange Learning app. And once that opens, you're going to see several courses for your child's teachers. The first course you're going to want to select is your child's teacher's name. You will see the special teachers also, like you won't see it on my page right now, but this would be art, Mrs. Metter, and this could possibly be PE, Mr. Swarberg. There's one of these for each special teachers, but since this is the teacher view, it's going to read a little bit differently. First, you're going to go to your child's teacher page, which I'm going to go to Mrs. Hernandez right here. Once that opens, you will see the plans for the extended learning day. Each day, the plans will be updated. So you'll see at the top, school closure lesson for Monday, March 16th. You're going to want to go to the bottom where it says show more right here. So you can open it up. And here will be the description. And down here, you have folders for each subject. Again, my class looks a little bit different, but you'll have social studies, math, reading, and science. So you will click on each folder and complete the activities inside the folder. So for example, I'm going to go to social studies first. My computer's a little slow, I apologize. Once that opens, you will click right here, social studies activity, and complete what it says. Make sure you click show right over here in blue so it could open the directions. It won't show automatically for some reason. It's learning is funny that way. So everything will open up and you can click on the audio directions and make sure you do part 1, 2, and 3. Once you finish, you can go back to the overview right here. It'll take you to the folders and we'll go to the next subject. So then we're back in Mrs. Hernandez's page. You're going to select show more, go down, and then you would do the next subject like math. Click on that and complete the activities. You would do that for each subject. Once you finish all subjects within your teacher's course, you will go to the specials teachers. So you're going to go back up here to courses, okay? And it's different because it's up here. It's not the apps that were down here, those big squares. You will click, let's say your child has art with Miss Metter. You will see Miss Metter art in one of these, or you can open it up all courses if it doesn't show up in that drop down, and you will select that specials teacher and complete activities the same way.